It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol USRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a routine basis, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But once again, after today's price movement, a whole lot of updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning, and I'm going to delete these lines out of here. Yes, they still pertain, but from the presentation perspective and the spirit of not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So sure, those lines still pertain, but I just want to keep this as straightforward as possible. One of the newest updates is based on a foundational principle in charts, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as supports. For those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully remember me talking about this 0.024 area as resistance, but now with the price well above it, this would be considered an area of support. Ideally speaking, so now we're going to come up here near term. I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That's where 0.045 comes into play. If the price can stay above there, that'd be fantastic. It'd be a very big sign of strength. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying that everything's ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, like I said, staying above 0.045 would be a great sign of strength. From the big picture perspective, taking a step back and looking at kind of just the overall flow, the overall trend of things, just keep an eye on that purple line. As I've said in past videos, the easiest way to look at that is just simply, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? Let's talk about a couple of these. As it stands right now, the party stopped today right up there at the 0.054 mark, so that's going to be the initial area of resistance going into tomorrow. But as I've said in past videos, and as I will continue to say, breaking levels of resistance, yeah, that's great, but it's not a top priority at all. Right now, top priority is just building higher bases, and as this chart has shown us, as long as the price builds higher bases, puts in those higher lows, the long-term chart's going to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.